Hi there. You don't need to spend £1,000 to wear £1,000 worth of bike gear. I've done it for just over 200, and in this video I'll show you exactly how. This is my Weise Scout jacket. Love it, great jacket. I paid £199 for it brand new. But a few weeks later I saw exactly the same jacket, the same size, listed on Vinted for £35. That's £165 I didn't need to spend. Top tier motorcycle equipment doesn't go out of date. The big brands, Rev'It, Hein Gericke, Rukka, they build their kit to last. Materials like Gore-Tex Pro, Super Fabric and CE Level 2 armour haven't changed much in a decade. A 10-year-old premium jacket can still outperform most new mid-range gear today. Let me show you what I've picked up and what I paid. This is an early Rukka Armas jacket. The retail when new was around £750. I got it for £75. These are original Rev'It Defender GTX trousers, full Gore-Tex, built like a tank. They retailed at around £375. I paid £25. Here's a second pair, Rev'It Everest GTX trousers from about 2011. Touring cut, removable Gore-Tex liner and thermal padding. Retail £450. I paid £35. This is a Hein Gericke master suit, jacket and trousers. The retail back then was over £750. I paid £25 for the entire suit. And these Richa Arctic gloves, they're basically new. The retail price is £100 and I paid £55. Even if the armour in older gear isn't up to spec, you can normally bring them up to date. Most jackets and trousers take removable armour, so you can drop in D30 or CE Level 2 pads. It costs about 25 quid per piece and suddenly the older jacket is 2025 ready. Here's how to find this stuff. 1. Set alerts on Vinted and eBay for brands like Rukka, Rev'It, Klim, Stadler, etc. 2. Know your size. Each brand fits differently. 3. Study the photos. Look for seam wear, zip condition and armour pockets. 4. Don't be afraid to message the seller. 5. If it doesn't fit you, flip it. I've resold jackets and made my money back within a week. In total, the gear I've just shown you would have cost over £2,400 at full retail. I paid £215. That's a saving of over £2,000, about a 91% discount. Remember that Weise jacket I bought for £199? Well, for the same money, I could have had the Rukka, the Everest trousers, the gloves, and still picked up that same Weise jacket second hand. That's the difference between buying new and buying smart. Don't forget, keep riding, be safe, drink tea. See you soon. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe.